This morning, India is demanding that the U.S. drop charges against one of its diplomats. She was arrested in New York last week, accused of lying on a visa application and paying her housekeeper and nanny far less than minimum wage. Well, Indian officials say the diplomat accused the maid of blackmail. The prosecutor is defending the case, which sparked a crisis in relations between the U.S. and India. There are new developments. Michelle Miller is here. Michelle, good morning.
Good morning, Nora and Jeff. Well, Secretary of State John Kerry called a top Indian national security advisor to express regret about how this has all unfolded. But according to the U.S. attorney prosecuting the case, the agents who arrested the diplomat didn't do anything wrong. Despite having ignited a firestorm of protest in India over the arrest and treatment of diplomat Devyani Khobragade, the State Department is defending its tactics and even suggesting the diplomat was given special privileges. In a rare statement from the U.S. attorney prosecuting the case, Preet Bharara said that after Khobragade's arrest, the diplomat was given courtesies well beyond what most defendants get, including phone calls and time to arrange child care. Agents even brought her coffee and offered her food. But in a newly published email to her colleagues, Khobragade provided graphic details about what she claims really happened. "I broke down many times," she wrote, as the indignities and repeated handcuffing, stripping and cavity searches, swabbing, in a holdup with common criminals and drug addicts were all being imposed upon me despite my incessant assertions of immunity. The State Department confirmed that the strip search took place, but after noting the diplomat's special treatment, U.S. Attorney Bharara asked, "One wonders why there is so much outrage about the alleged treatment of the Indian national accused of perpetrating these acts, but precious little outrage about the alleged treatment of the Indian victim and her spouse." Mumbai Mirror columnist Asim Sharma believes politics in India may be escalating the conflict.
Any which way they can sort of hurt Americans slightly, that will get them some bonus brownie points, perhaps in the election next year.
If convicted, the diplomat could face up to 10 years in prison for visa fraud and 5 years for making a false declaration. Jeff, Nora?
Thank you, Michelle.